Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert Google Docs file into PDF. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To convert Google Docs file into PDF, go to Google Docs and open your document and then click on File tab on upper left corner. Now go to Download and then you will find here PDF document. Just click on PDF document. Look, a PDF file already downloaded. I'm going to open the folder. This one is the PDF file I have downloaded right now. Just right click and click on open. Look, the PDF file has been created very easily. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.